that means that what you're fighting for is not worth dying for. If your freedom is not worth dying for, then the world cannot take you seriously. That is the way it is. Any day, if you like, listen, if just do us, I don't need your money, what we want from you is 1 container load. Only. We won't come to you again. Let me tell you, any day they shoot us, police shoot us, we shoot back at them. They kill us, we kill them. Believe you me, UN will come in that same day. But if they're only killing you, UN will say, please, can you investigate the matter? Can you investigate it? And make sure that all the culprits are brought.
Yeah, welcome. I thought you were having a network issue. I was thinking that you're having a network issue. I've been waiting for you to join in. The live stream is not going to take much time. I just want to share this because I don't know if I've listened to the video or should I take it back? Okay. Let's complete it, then we can now discuss about it. Yeah.
If the police kill us, we kill police back. They will say, please, what is the problem? What is going on? That time the language is not the same. What is going on means they want to hear from the zoo, they want to hear from us. But if they come and they kill us and they go scot-free, they will say to the zoo, please investigate and let us know. Every country you mentioned, the UN came in as they were fighting. For every year that we fought the war, Southern Sudan fought for 10 years. Guerrilla warfare. At a point, it became very, very clear to Sudanese that because they're not going anywhere. They have fought for 30 years, they're not going anywhere. These are the things we need to understand. Had both Biafra, Opposition of Freedom Fighters, had they gone to the bush to continue guerrilla warfare, by now Biafra will be a free country. But everybody went into buying and selling. You became very selfish. It's just about you and your son and your family. Which is why go and ask people who are as old as we are that grew up in the village and close to our father and our grandparents or uncles in those days. Ask them, since when did an Igbo man start saying, immediately after the war, people became so selfish to the point whereby all that matters to them is their welfare and that of their family, not that of the community and everybody anymore.
I noticed that.
We have to fight.
I noticed that. It's unfortunate.
If we do not fight, Biafra will not come. Let us do it peacefully.
No, it's okay. Maybe tomorrow we will have program. You understand?
Do you want to read it again for you today? The Bible said that the UN will not.
Why? It's okay.
The Bible said that UN will not come to you until you face Chukwu.
I thought they don't take light in the country where you are. Okay. No problem. So they have light more than Nigeria then. I said, do they normally have light more than Nigeria? Can you hear me? Wow. I think maybe the signal is bad. It's truly bad. I can hear you, but you cannot hear me. I can hear you. It's frozen.
Your maker. And then you fight. Let me tell you something. Those of you that understand the history of this whole world, when somebody comes to your house to rape your wife, to kill your mother and your children, if you're a man,
yes, I can hear you.
Fight and die in the process of defending